Hello, I'm Yeonjun Jashi, and in this video I'm going to talk about what I've learned from the course and our group video project, as well as my personal contribution. So first, what I've learned from the course. In the lecture, it mentioned that art was actually an early form of information processing and communication. So that made me think about how the painters in the past used their artworks to express emotion. So in week 2, I used a traditional painting scene at the beginning to symbolize the idea of preserving information. The lecturer also mentioned that technology is an extension of human seeing, which inspired me to use a transition from a camera to a phone screen to show how social media allow the artist's eyes to see the world. And the reading also pointed out that new and old media are continuous rather than replacement. So that idea made me combine the ancient and modern visual in my video to show how communication has evolved, from waiting for feedback to instant sharing. The second part is about what I learned during the video making process. So the first is special effects. When the main content is already clear, adding some effects can really make the visual richer and more engagement, like this or like this. Next is storyboarding. Without a storyboard, it's often hard for viewers to understand what a scene is trying to say. But once the shoots are well planned, the story becomes much clearer and more logical. So, and of course, music. Music plays a key role in expression emotion. So even with the same footage, different background music can totally change the mood. It can feel bright, grand, or even horrible. Lastly, my personal contribution. The whole video was created by our group of 3, and we worked closely together from brainstorming to shooting to post-production and without strict divisions. So about my main contributions, in the idea stage, I actively joined the brainstorming session and proposed directions and helped define the theme and message. For visuals, I designed a storyboard and planned the shoot sequence and rhythm to make the story flow smoothly. And during filming, I operated the camera and also appeared to scream. And I also selected suitable background music to enhance the mood as well. And finally, during editing, I supported our main editor emotionally and creatively. So keeping the team motivated and making the whole process more enjoyable is also important. So this is what I've learned and done throughout the project.